Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade stock market understanding with Seeking Alpha, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your stock market understanding with Seeking Alpha, start by creating an account on their website. Visit seekingalpha.com and click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Choose between a free account or a premium subscription based on your needs. Once registered, log in to your account to access a wealth of resources. Explore the homepage, where you'll find trending articles and market insights. Use the search bar to find specific stocks or topics of interest. Read articles from various authors to gain different perspectives on the market. Take note of the Wall Street ratings and quant ratings provided for individual stocks. Study earnings reports and analysis to understand company performance better. Utilize the portfolio feature to track your investments and receive personalized updates. Participate in discussions in the comments sections of articles to engage with other investors. Consider following specific authors whose insights resonate with your investing style. Set up email alerts on stocks or topics that you wish to monitor closely. Explore the news section for real-time updates on market movements. Dive into the marketplace for premium research services that may enhance your understanding. Leverage the educational content by visiting the guide section for in-depth investment strategies. Regularly assess your knowledge by reflecting on new insights gained from the platform. Keep a journal of your learning and investment decisions based on your research. Stay consistent in your engagement with Seeking Alpha to continuously improve your stock market knowledge. As your understanding deepens, apply what you've learned to make informed investment choices. Remember that the stock market is continually evolving, so remain active in your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.